Hello everyone, this is Jenny at Plowing Match today. I know it's kind of the challenge for you to carry this drone up to the truck by yourself. This is T50 drone with 40 liters tank, but it's empty, and with the battery together, total roughly about 52 kilograms. Look what I found for you today. Our neighbor, Josh and John from UD Excavators brought over a very practical piece of equipment, a compact lift that can be mounted on a truck. You can see it can easily raise and lower 1,000 pounds of the weight. We know that moving drones isn't easy, it's heavy, it's not easy to carry, but with this, we could effortlessly place our drone onto the truck. Wouldn't that be a pretty slick thing? How do you like it?